I started my company about 7 years ago when I was at home here on the ranch, and I simply wanted to sweep out my barn. My hands were really tired. I couldn't even grip onto my own broom, so I grabbed some duct tape and I made a loop on this broom, and it made it really easy to sweep. I've always had kind of an inventor's mind, an innovator's mind. I had a silicone pot holder in the house. I ran and got the pot holder, cut 2 holes in it, and slipped it over it and said, it's just gonna be something like this, made out of this material that's really clean and friendly. You can put it on the simple uses like a cup or a fork or a knife, but you can also use it on a blow dryer, a boat oar, a tennis racket. It is so exciting to me to be able to have a platform for change, to offer a groundbreaking product to so many people. Everyone deserves to do for themselves, and EaZyHold allows you to do that.